Finger Family.
Jesus enters Jerusalem. Although many people now believed in Jesus and the kingdom of God, he had powerful enemies. The high priests and lawyers saw him as a threat to the ruling power of Rome. They tried to trap him with questions so that they could arrest him for stirring up rebellion. The people's love for him frightened them. When the feast of Passover came, no one believed Jesus would go to Jerusalem. The apostles begged him not to go. "You will surely be arrested," they cried. But they could not persuade him. Riding humbly on a donkey, Jesus entered the gates of Jerusalem. Thousands had heard of his coming and lined the road as he passed. They spread palm leaves on the road before him and praised him as their Lord. "Blessed is he who comes in the name of God," they cried.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.